Rahul Gandhi has said that he will consider returning as Congress president. This is after it emerged that several senior leaders, including the chief ministers of states like Punjab, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, as well as the former defence minister A.K. Anthony, they've all urged the Kerala MP to come back to the top post. These statements urging him to return were made today at the party's CWC meeting, at which it was decided that elections for the party's top post will be held between the 21st of August and the 20th of September next year.
बहुत सारे साथियों ने ये मांग भी उठाई कि श्री राहुल गांधी जी आगे बढ़कर कांग्रेस का नेतृत्व संभालें। लगभग उस पर भी कांग्रेस की कार्य समिति संपूर्ण सहमत थी। राहुल गांधी जी ने सबका धन्यवाद किया और ये कहा कि वो शुक्रगुजार हैं इस प्रकार के प्रेम, आशीर्वाद और विश्वास के लिए।
सब लोग
जो G23 के लोग हैं,
सब लोग एक मत है कि राहुल गांधी को अध्यक्ष बनना चाहिए।
और मैम जो आने वाले चुनाव है विधानसभा के, उसको लेकर सीडब्ल्यूसी में क्या बातचीत हुई?
अब पूरा प्रस्ताव आएगा।
और जो G23 के कंसर्न है, उस पर कुछ बातचीत हुई?
G23 का तो दिक्कत तक नहीं हुआ।
All right, let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar, who's monitoring that meeting. So, Arvind, so many questions, but first and foremost, elections, if Rahul Gandhi takes up that offer or not, that's a separate matter. But if elections are a year away, how does this play out on the timeline with the assembly elections? So, the party will go into these assembly elections without, choosing who the president is, having in this, interim situation?
Sarah, after the 5-hour-long CWC meet, the Congress party has announced the schedule for the party's internal elections. So the process of internal elections will begin from November 1st this year, and it will culminate in the election of the Congress president, that is on 28th September 2022. So it's a year-long process. The process will begin November this year and it will end in September next year. So in the middle, like you mentioned, there are 5 states assembly elections. Let it be UP, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Goa, etc. So there are 5 state assembly elections. So the Congress party sources are saying that the party will go for the membership drive in November this year, and the membership drive is till March 31st next year. So in the meantime, all these 5 state assembly elections will also be over, post which the elections for the block level will happen, after which the district level will happen, post that the state level, and then it will culminate in the election of the Congress president. So that's the schedule that the Congress party has finalized in today's CWC meeting, and the Congress party has already constituted a Central Election Authority Committee. That particular authority committee will hold the elections. So the Rahul Gandhi and also the CWC, other senior CWC members, they have unanimously, they have cleared this particular schedule. And also what we are learning from our sources is that it started with senior leader A.K. Anthony, the former defence minister. It is he who first in the meeting urged Rahul Gandhi to become the president of the Congress party again, and that was seconded by almost all the party leaders who were in attendance for this particular CWC meet. Whenever they spoke after A.K. Anthony, everyone said that Rahul Gandhi should take over the mantle, for which what we are learning from our sources is that Rahul Gandhi thanked all those leaders and he said that he will consider this particular request. So finally, this is the main agenda. This has been the main point of contention between the G23 and the Congress leadership, saying that there has to be an election for the internal party, which now finally the CWC has ratified, and we can expect the next Congress president to be elected on 20th September 2022.